Ever wonder how some brands make every rupee in their Google Ads spend go 3 times as far? Today, we are spilling the secrets to tripling your Google Ads ROI. Tip 1. Laser-focused targeting. Firstly, let's focus on targeting. It's crucial to target your ads precisely. Start by analyzing your current customer base. What are their interests, demographics, and behaviors? Use this data to refine your target settings in Google Ads. For instance, if you're selling fitness gear, target users interested in health and wellness rather than just a broad, undefined audience. Tip 2. Compelling, benefit-driven ad copy. Now, let's talk about ad copy. There's a huge difference between just saying, get the latest 4K TVs, than saying, immerse yourself in Ultra HD, discover our 4K TV range. The second one paints a picture, offers a benefit. It's this subtle shift in your message that can make your ad copy resonate more with your audience. Tip 3. Optimizing landing pages. Make sure your landing page delivers on your ad's promise. It should be clearly related to the ad, with a consistent messaging and a call to action. If your ad is about special discount, your landing page should immediately highlight that deal, making it easy for visitors to take the next step. Tip 4. Utilizing smart bidding strategies. Bidding can be tricky, but Google's smart bidding strategies like Target CPA can be a game changer. Start small. Test how these strategies work for your campaigns and gradually adjust bids based on the performance. Test how these strategies work for your campaigns and gradually adjust your bids based on performance. This approach helps in maximizing your ROI while keeping costs in check. Tip 5. Regularly test and refine your ads. Testing is key. Try different versions of your ads. Change it up, the headlines, images, and call to actions. Analyze which version performs the best and use those insights to refine your campaigns. This ongoing process of testing and optimization is crucial for improving your ad performance over time. Tip 6. Deep dive into analytics. Lastly, always keep an eye on your analytics. Identify which ads are performing well and why. Are they reaching the right audience? Are they leading to conversions? Use these insights to make data-driven decisions and continuously improve your campaign performance. There you have it. Practical strategies to triple your Google Ads ROI. It's all about understanding your audience, creating compelling ads, optimizing the user journey, making smart bidding decisions, testing, and using data to guide your decisions. Implement these tips and you'll be on your way to maximizing your advertising success. Thanks for watching, and here's to boosting your Google Ads game. If you like more interesting strategies and optimization techniques like this, follow for more.